KTM 390 Adventure is a versatile travel motorcycle, well-balanced and purposeful. It has super agile and sporty handling on the street, and as well as the off-road capability to take on rougher dirt roads. Even with its large volume fuel tank, the design of the bodywork and the seat allow excellent ergonomics, freedom of movement and comfort. It offers a low seat height while still providing sufficient ground clearance. The rugged, minimalist bodywork defines the identity of the bike and underlines its hardcore roots. The fuel tank is a central element of the design and engineering mastery of this daily adventurer. Its shape offers excellent ergonomics, with a narrow knee area that provides great control and even fits taller riders. It has an impressive 14.5 liters fuel capacity and, together with its exceptional fuel economy, is set for more than 400 kilometers of non-stop exploring on a full tank. This 321cc liquid-cooled two-cylinder engine features lightweight forged pistons and carburized connecting rods, delivering easy-to-manage power in the low RPM range with strong high RPM power. The extremely light clutch feeling makes the MT-03 even more fun in the city, while its offset cylinders and advanced fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response. The dynamic MT-03 looks cool with its dual-angled position lights that emphasize its aggressive big bike looks. A single compact and powerful LED headlight burns a hole through the darkness to light up the road ahead. There's absolutely no mistaking that the new MT-03 is a member of Yamaha's legendary Hyper-Naked family. With its aggressive front light assembly as well as bold air scoops and a sculpted fuel tank, the MT-03 gives you the chance to become a true master of torque and experience the most dynamic ride in the class. The MT-03's serious big bike specification is underlined with the addition of an inverted KYB front fork. Equipped with 37mm tubes and a cast aluminum upper triple clamp, the new front end reinforces the bike's high specification and delivers a confident and smooth ride during braking, acceleration and cornering. Single is the perfect choice for a bike like the CBR300R. It's light, simple, fuel-efficient and features a broad power band with plenty of low-revving torque, just what you want in your first motorcycle, but geared for comfortable cruising at highway speeds. Fuel injection means the CBR300R starts right up, even in cold weather. Compared to a carbureted bike, it also helps reduce emissions and enhance performance and fuel efficiency. A low 30.7-inch seat height does more than help make sure the CBR300R fits a wide range of riders. It makes it easier to put your feet down at stoplights and in parking lots, a big confidence builder. Because it features a counterbalance, the CBR300R engine is a smooth runner. You get the narrow overall width and power advantages of a single, along with the smoothness of a multi-cylinder bike.